Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Hani Bhandari and today I'll be explaining the various services provided by an operating system. In this video, I'll start by explaining what exactly is an operating system and then we'll move on to the various services provided by an operating system. We'll also look at the various types of operating system services and at the end, we'll look at a case study about operating system services in educational settings. So let's start with the section 1, Introduction to Operating System Services. So what exactly is an operating system? An operating system or an OS is a core software that manages computer hardware and also provides the necessary platform for applications to run. It basically acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware, ensuring that software applications can function smoothly. Understanding these services is vital because they are fundamental to how computers operate. In educational settings, this knowledge helps teachers and students become more proficient with technology, improving their overall digital literacy. Operating systems provide several essential services. Firstly, they manage the processes running on a computer, making sure that multiple applications can operate simultaneously without interfering with each other. This involves scheduling tasks, allocating resources, and facilitating communication between processes. Secondly, they handle memory management, which means they control how memory is allocated and freed up, ensuring that different programs can run efficiently without conflicts. Thirdly, they offer file management services, allowing users to create, delete, and organize files as well as control access to these files, making it easier to manage data on the computer. System security and protection. Security is a critical function of operating systems. They provide user authentication to ensure that only authorized individual can access the system. This helps protect sensitive information and resources. Additionally, operating systems implement data protection measures like encryption and access control to prevent unauthorized access or manipulation of data. They also integrate with antivirus software and manage firewalls to protect the system from security threats such as malware and hackers. User interface and communication. Operating systems also enhance user experience through graphical user interfaces or GUIs, which make it easier for people to interact with the computer. This user friendly interface simplifies navigation and the use of the system. Furthermore, operating systems facilitate network communication, enabling devices to connect and share information over a network. This is crucial for both individual users and organizations as it supports connectivity and collaboration. Now, let's move on to the section 2 of our video, that is types of operating system services. So, these all services that are provided by an operating system are mainly classified into three parts, that is, core services, extended services, and specialized services. If we talk about the core services, then these are the fundamental services provided by an operating system, which includes process management, memory allocation, and file handling. Extended services, here we talk about the additional services such as the security management, network support, and user interface design. The last, that is the specialized services. Here, certain OS offer specialized services tailored to specific industries or applications such as real-time processing or embedded system. So this is the service classification of an operating system. So let's move on to the section 3 of our video. In this section, we'll dive into real-world examples of how operating systems are integrated into educational settings, exploring the benefits, challenges, and the future trends. So let's begin with how exactly classrooms integrate operating system. Choosing the right operating system for educational environments involves careful consideration of compatibility, security, and support of educational software. Schools need an operating software that supports a wide range of educational applications while also ensuring that students' data remain secure. The ecosystem of educational software available for different operating systems can significantly impact teaching and learning. For example, we can say a school might choose an operating system with robust support for interactive learning tools and resources, which enhances the overall educational experience. One notable case is a school that integrated a specific OS to enhance their educational processes. They found that this integration improved accessibility to learning materials and streamlined classroom management. However, they also faced challenges such as training staff and ensuring compatibility with existing systems. Challenges and innovations. First, we have resource constraint. Educational settings often face resource limitations. We do not have enough resources available to us, which requires innovative operating system solution for efficient resource utilization. Then we have security concerns. Protecting the students' data and academic resource is a critical consideration, leading to advancement in operating system security features. Then we have adaptive learning. Operating systems are evolving to support personalized and adaptive learning experiences, catering to diverse student needs and preferences. So now let's look at the future trends in educational OS services. So, looking ahead, the landscape of operating system services in education is evolving very rapidly. Emerging technologies such as cloud based operating systems, virtualization, and adaptive learning platforms are becoming increasingly integral to modern education. These advancements have a potential to transform teaching practices significantly. Cloud-based operating systems allow for seamless updates and remote access to educational resources, which enhances flexibility for both the teacher as well as the student. Virtualization enables schools to run multiple operating systems on the same hardware, optimizing resource usage and reducing costs. Adaptive learning platforms use data driven insights to provide personalized learning experiences, which caters to individual student needs. The anticipated benefits of these trends include more engaging and interactive learning experiences, increased accessibility to diverse educational resources, and the ability to tailor education to individual learning styles. These advancements promise to make education more inclusive, efficient, and effective. So, I hope this was clear to you and it helped you in some way. So, thank you so much for watching the video.